Alright, so it's 9 a.m. right now, and a couple of nights ago I was scrolling through Facebook and I stumbled on another car, a project that I wanted to buy, and right now we're gonna go pick it up. Alright, so the car's home, and so far I'm really happy with it. The guy also gave me already painted M3 side skirts and M3 bumper. It's not painted yet, but on this car, obviously the bumper's trash. I already have a new door and I have a new fender for it, but still looking for a bumper. But those things are cheap, so it doesn't matter. Quarter panel has a hole in it, which I'm just gonna put a piece of sheet metal on the back and just weld the shot. Interior is pretty nice. It's like a cinnamon. So far what I noticed on this car, obviously the whole suspension's ripped out, so I need to put new subframe in, and steering rack. The steering rack's damaged. I already found one. The guy gave me a good deal on it, so I'm just gonna pick it up. But other than that, car's actually pretty clean. Same as under the hood. I mean, it's not a 335, it's a 328i, so nothing fancy, but I think it can be a nice daily driver while I'm gonna be fixing that thing right there. Anyway, so yeah, this is the car. So I think today I just can't wait but take some stuff off of it and see how bad the damage is. So that's probably going to be the next one after I take the trailer back. Alright, so I took a bunch of suspension parts off. I still need to take this guy out, but I don't actually think subframe is damaged, so I'm gonna keep it for now, besides this little piece right here. But I don't think the subframe itself is damaged, but the steering rack is destroyed. You can actually see it right there. So next step, I'm gonna take the guard off and then take the steering rack out, and then there's two kinds. There's adaptive steering one and there's a regular one, and I need to see which one it is in order to get correct one. But frame is not damaged itself, besides this firewall piece that's split from such a big hit from the wheel. But yeah, other than that, so far it's really good and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, next step, I'm gonna take the guard off, pull the rack out. Alright, so the steering rack actually came out really easy, and this is where it snaps right there. And if I go underneath, see this piece right here. And I thought I don't need a subframe, but I actually do, because it snapped right there, the little bracket that holds the steering rack. So I do need a new subframe, and the piece that broke off stayed right here. So I need that. And actually, I guess one of the tubes snapped. I need to find it, where it's at, and replace it. Oh, it's right here, I see. It's right here. So yeah, I need new of these. So that's unfortunate. I mean, I did find a subframe. A guy wanted $150 for it, which is not bad. I don't think oil pan was busted. I think he cleared it. So what happened was the guy actually flew off the road into the rocks. That's why it's so beat up on the side and underneath, because of a bunch of rocks. So next step will be pulling the subframe off. But before I do that, I'm gonna finish this video right now, because I do want to post something. It's been like 2 weeks, and in next video I'm gonna work on a subframe, pulling subframe off, and probably gonna go on a Saturday and get more parts for this thing. And I will be painting door myself, and thinking about putting 330 bumper, like I said, on it, because I just like the dual exit more. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy my new build. This thing is not forgotten. I will be working on it eventually. I just sold my other daily driver, so I need a new daily driver, and maybe a flipper if I can sell it for a good profit. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for next video, and goodbye.